Hey, so you want to collect emails, messages, or leads using your card site? Forms are super simple and powerful. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up forms, use the contact feature, and manage submissions effectively. First, log into your card account or create one if you don't have it yet. Free accounts can add basic forms, but Pro lets you connect emails, integrate services, and get more advanced options. Select the site you want to add a form to and click Edit. You'll be taken to the site editor where you can add new elements. Click the plus icon to add a new element and choose Form. This creates a section where visitors can submit messages or sign up for emails. Add fields like name, email, message, or any custom input. You can mark fields as required and change labels to match your needs. In Pro, you can connect your form to an email address, Google Sheets, MailChimp, or other services. This way, submissions go directly to your inbox or CRM. Make sure to add a submit button. Customize the text like send message or sign up. You can also show a success message after submission, like thanks, we'll get back to you soon. Preview your site and test the form. Fill it out and make sure submissions are sent to your connected email or service. This ensures everything works before going live. Once the form works correctly, click Publish. Now your visitors can contact you, sign up, or submit requests directly through your card site. Check your email or connected service to see submissions. Keep organized by labeling or exporting them. You can use this data for leads, clients, or feedback. So yeah, that's how you can use card forms and the contact feature. Add fields, connect emails or services, customize buttons, test, and publish. Collect leads and messages easily to grow your audience or business.